Hi, my name is Gaurav Gupta and I am currently pursuing MBA from AIM Institute of Management Studies. While studying at AIMS Institute of Management Studies, I received great support from faculty. They helped me secure a great job at Holographic Technologies by providing practical learning opportunities and industrial connections. AIMS created a welcoming and inclusive community that taught me important values like teamwork, integrity, and perseverance. The college community commitment to holistic development also broadens my perspective and instilled in me a sense of empathy and compassion. Thanks to the thorough training and preparation provided by the college placement cell, I was able to excel in my interview and securing a great job at Holographic Technologies. I am confident that with my strong foundation provided by the AIMS Institute of Management has prepared me to face the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in my career and beyond.